Day 3 is about what wows by deciding on a solution. At the beginning of the day, you get together as a group to focus on learning about the solutions you developed during day 2 and evolving them. If your team struggles with limiting the amount of critique, techniques such as de Bono's thinking hats can help. An alternative technique suggested by Jake Knapp, the author of the Design Sprint book, is to critique all solutions at once rather than one at a time. Try to bring the individual ideas together to see if they can present even stronger solutions when merged. It is also helpful to assess the extremes. If in 5 years' time this solution would be a great success or abysmal failure, what would have caused it to succeed or fail? This will help you in identifying the assumptions you make. For example, you may have identified that the biggest cause of failure would be that customers are not willing to pay for your solution. You could either focus the test on day 5 to a customer's willingness to pay, or reorient the solution by asking, how might we offer this service for free to customers? At some point during day 3, it might also be useful to write ad libs or translate it into a value proposition to see how your solution is offering important pain relievers and gain creators. What wows are solutions that address the most important pains and gains extremely well. Next, it is time to make decisions. Design approaches increasingly rely on dotmocracy to make decisions. Every team member receives a number of dot stickers that they place next to their preferred option. Each can give all their votes to one option or spread the dots across multiple options. The solution with the most dots wins. Benefits are that it is quick, allows for multiple choices, and uses the collective wisdom of the entire team. People have a natural tendency to agree with the majority or with leaders. A way around this is to make up your mind in silence regarding the different solutions, before placing the dots next to preferred solutions and asking leaders to vote last. Once you decide on a solution, the next step is to create a storyboard. This will visualize how your customers get in touch with your product and how they use it. This storyboard will be your guide in developing the prototype and test. Jake Knapp and colleagues offer the following recommendations for developing your storyboard. Start 1 to 2 steps before your actual product. This is the opening scene of how your customers will find your solution. Is it via web search, advertisement in a magazine, or product on a shelf? Use what you have. Take the sketches and notes from your solutions and place them in the storyboard. Include just enough to make sense of the frame. Details can be worked out tomorrow when you make a test plan and prototype. Don't write and decide together, as you need all the time you have. Using the decision maker to make decisions regarding the frames can free up the team. If you are in doubt if an option will work, take the risk. Remember that a sprint is about maximizing your learning. And finally, keep the story to a max of 15 minutes, with each frame representing about 1 minute. Once your team has settled on a solution and storyboard, you are ready for day 4, in which you will develop a prototype and test plan.